Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to do a point change request on Paycom. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To submit a point change request in Paycom, first what you need to do is head over and open up the app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on My Time Management from the main menu. Then once there, select Web Timesheet Read Only. Then locate the date with a missing punch indicated by a double question mark and an exclamation mark. Then simply tap on the double question mark icon to open the point change request form. Then simply enter the correct time and provide a reason for change. Then tap on Add Request to submit your change request. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.